Hey guys, welcome back to our second travel vlog
We are travelling from Hogan to Camagüey.
using the Viazal bus service, which was a little bit easier to use here than it was in the next place.
Yeah, in the next place, well, from Camagüey, because apparently there's some sort of invisible border which makes it almost impossible.
So we made it to Camagüey.
And then we were hollowed down by a bike taxi guy who took us to our hostel and allowed us to see some of the views of Camagüey.
These bike taxis, we use these quite a lot in Camagüey. They are literally everywhere and it's such a good mode of transport to get around. They're really, really cheap. So if you do visit Cuba, definitely recommend jumping on one of these guys.
Yes, definitely. And try and bargain them down as well, because they always start high and then make you kind of work for it to get a cheaper price.
They're quite happy to give you a bit less though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, in the end, as long as they get paid.
Yeah.
So we got to see some sights as well and have a bit of fresh air after being sat on a bus for so long. So it was a cool way to see a little bit of the town whilst we were on our way to the next hostel. Hi guys, so we're in our second hotel now and we're staying in a hotel, I'm not really sure actually. It's basically with locals and they've got rooms that they rent out to travellers and we're staying in one of their rooms. So I thought we'll give you a room tour like we did with the first place. So I'm actually in the bathroom because the mirror in here is better. I'll show you the mirror out in the room and you'll understand then. So I take a step back. This is the bathroom tiling on the floor, ever so extravagant. Nice mat that clashes. Again, sink with matching tiles. Everything in here pretty much matches colour, so it's like blue and green, and then wabam! You have got the zebra print bin. Love it. One thing we have loved so far about Cuba is that the showers are like massive. They're just huge, they're like wet rooms almost. So there's loads of space, and this is really, really nice. Pull back this amazing shower curtain, which I'm sure you can all appreciate. Right, we'll take you into the room. Okay, so this is the bed. This is the room. So it's just like an ensuite basically. That is the mirror. You can see all the marks on it, so you'll understand why I didn't start in there. TV and air conditioning. A little like mini bar thing. Fridge, which we aren't allowed to use because it's not environmentally friendly, but just that's fine. We don't have anything to put in there anyway. Yeah, that is everything. That is the room tour.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Me and Melissa are currently at a estadio baseball.
Well, kind of. It's
Kind
on the
of
other
an
side of the
estadio
room.
baseball. We are struggling to get inside, but we thought we'd just come and see it because it looks
cool.
bloody awesome. So we're just gonna do a little bit of footage and all that stuff. We're currently in Camagüey.
Camagüey, they say.
Camagüey.
Camagüey.
So we're moving on to Santa Clara tomorrow. So hopefully there'll be more awesome sights like this to see. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next clip.
Adios.
Adios.
Amigos.
Amigos. After a relaxing walk around the park, which was kind of turned into a zoo, we decided to go to the Plaza of the Revolution, which is a small, well, not small, it's actually quite big, kind of memorial based around a guy called Ignacio Agramonte, I believe. I might be wrong there, but it's actually quite a really, really surreal experience just going there and just kind of realising exactly how much the revolution meant to the Cuban people. Some of the food that we got here in Camagüey coming up, and we actually found a lovely thing called fried banana chips, which I didn't even realise was a thing.
It's like a local thing. They give it to you in a lot of the meals that you have in Cuba. So if you do go, I would highly, highly recommend getting them because we fell in love with them.
They were awesome. And then here are some of Melissa's favourite biscuits that she managed to find.
Oh my god, they're so good. I love chocolate biscuits.
And after that, we went for a little walk, found this cute little park and a church, and just decided to have a little walk around and see what was around Camagüey.
Todd's quite into his architecture as well, aren't you? So
yeah.
The churches and things in Cuba are impressive. Like their buildings in general are pretty much phenomenal, most of them.
Yeah, especially the churches.
Yeah. One of the things they have in Cuba are prepaid internet access cards, like Wi-Fi cards, and we couldn't quite get our head around these, but basically you have to go to a telephone shop and buy a card, and you can either buy 1 hour or 5 hours worth of internet access, and that is how you get access to the internet when you're in Cuba. Thanks for watching, guys.
We will see you guys in the next video.
Have a fab day.
Have a great day, whatever you're doing. Bye bye bye.